It's just recording it.
Well, hell, quit. All right.
Come on.
Huh?
Jump out of the snow.
Oh, hell.
I think it's recorded.
Get your head up. Let me get out of this.
It's a recording.
Take it off that.
I don't know how to.
I can't show you right now.
I'm just recording now. Then whenever you want to jump up, you can jump up.
It's not gonna take it. That was cold.
You didn't stay in there long. Here. Oh, your hands are wet.
Oh, here you go.
That was cold.